gonna do all this stuff. I'm actually gonna show you some things that I have, so because I want you guys to comment down below what you want me to upload. Oh yeah, now I remember. I was talking about the sound effects. I'm gonna find a website that I can do with sound effects. Because you know some of you guys have subscribed to Joel5220, and you know how I suck at doing sound effects. I'd be like, so yeah.